Hello, my people. Good day, good afternoon, good evening, good day, whatever, where you are watching this video from. um, when I know say me no like Yoruba. As me they talk today's program now about the breaking news concerning that our sister, I mean the Igbo sister, that beautiful angel that got married to former aviation minister Kayode. Most of una don't hear and most never hear say Kayode and that our sister not there again. After how many children? Wonderful. Some people go say me no they take ear here Yoruba. I hope so my voice they come out clear. I hope so. I hope so they pick my voice. So if you know they pick am, just show me say you know they pick am. But let me continue. This message na message to all Igbo ladies that have gotten married to Yoruba people and the ones jogging around to jump into the matter or into that relationship. You know what Yorubas are? Let me tell you if you don't know. Yorubas are enwe. You know what is enwe? Monkey. No matter how you take train monkey, no matter how education way you feed monkey, that monkey go be. You know, the thing they pain me that the condition of Nigeria today is making every rubbish tribe, kakaboot, people that are uncircumcised are now jumping to Igbo people, getting married to our most beautiful ladies in Nigeria, which is abnormal, which is unacceptable. Now, Kayode, where in prick know the work. Go carry the most beautiful lady in Igbo land. Pose himself as our in-law, Ogonwoke, hand across the Niger. I tell una say, if they use una finish, they go cut una throat. Either you die put, or one thing or the other must happen. Look at Obasanjo. As Obasanjo carry our sister enter power, what happened? They kill her. Now go and marry their own. Our people, this una mistake, which day una go learn something. It's unacceptable. Say somebody wey in prick know the work. Go carry a nose the poke nose for Igbo land. If woman want carry belle, you go buy sperm. Go the plant woman for belle. Now woman don't born pikin na say make she go do blood test. Know whether na Kayode born these children. Na it be wahala. Na dia alarm don dey blow. Kayode send this woman out. Not only sending this woman out, Kayode sees everything where you give to the woman as a wife. Even though the children block everything. Do you know what Kayode did? Kayode see this lady as a beautiful lady. And he want to have such beautiful things in his family. Indirectly, Kayode used this woman as a woman farm. I don't know how they call her. Sorry, I get cold. You know, Kayode used this our sister as baby mama, baby fertilizer, baby producer. Where you go they plant sperm, they produce. Maybe these children now go sell them to all the whole Yoruba people. Maybe they can't get this beauty when they know Yoruba land. I will send to Igbo lady that will leave his Igbo people that knows how to marry a woman. Yoruba where they marry 15. Yoruba man go sit down for house. Children go they come in, they go out. They don't know the one will belong to them. The one will resemble them, the one will not resemble them. If you ask, he married 23. Every party where he go now say he go carry prick for hand. They chook him inside woman and yash they come out. Now Igbo people go just look at that Kayode. Kayode that just carry this lady as farmland. Use the lady they plant, they produce beautiful children. Now you don't use her finish. Now you don't need them again. Maybe her breast don't knock for ground. Kayode don't throw away her. Before you go down now, Kayode now go marry that in woman when don't they keep for outside since we be Yoruba woman. Now there the matter go end. I'm just using this video to warn Igbo people. If you know say boy to marry for village, use your money. If you don't get money, use your money. Go pay your birthright. Because time go reach for Nigeria. Now women go come they do something for man head though. The matter don't they go out of hand. Because the way Nigeria just they frustrate our youths, men no get, young boys no get money to finance their family, and women will get the money, they do big girl. No, make I not be saying I me bring money where they take pay my birthright. You go there, they turn to aga the wine, turn to nine, they turn to what do they call them, alaja. Use your money, finance your marriage. Who ha? Nobody carry am for neck say na him finance a marriage. If you know say the boy love you, love the guy, but the money no dey inside, but e dey your side though. Instead of you to go marry aviation caterpillar master or minister for Nigeria, wey come from Yoruba or Hausa, these people wey their prick be like blah, blah, blah. They go carry am, they chook for, you know the shame, your body know they, you know they still know they irritate you. Eh? Are you a human being at all? Eh? Which can be you be if you be this archaic by people for Igbo land? You let us know say for Igbo land, no real son of the soil if you penetrate on our family. Then we go understand. Because we don't say that culture day. Yes, that one I go understand. Say that reason why you go Yoruba. That one I understand. But if to say you be son of the soil and the son of the soil if it dangle you, Chineke, what is the problem? Take your hand, be your family, build, do something. Look at after Kayode use this girl to do pose for Igbo land. Use and penetrate one. I tell you people, Yoruba as the worst part that can happen to Igbo. The worst thing that has happened to Igbo people are the Yorubas. They will use every tools to penetrate your people. And you keep on opening door for them, thinking that they are with you. No be marry our sister and our in-law. And then now your in-law, you don't use your daughter as fertilizer. You don't produce children finish. You don't seize the children. Seize the car when give them. Seize even though the beautiful bag when buy for them. Seize the pint and everything. Chase the girl come out like house girl. That is Yorubas for you. Now you go see Alaja, will be wife from Yoruba land, go now penetrate. Go come the waka like a dengu. You know, if you go party, Igbo woman they do shakara, they do ajipa. Now Yoruba don't need that. Now Yoruba needs you go wear that parachute where they put on. If they go party, you go borrow that parachute. If they go, you go to dance. Oyingo. If hurricane come, they go carry the clothes to fly go. My message now: if your sister they follow Hausa, if they follow Yoruba, now so na go end up. This is what happened to this girl. I know they even messy for her more. But if the girl get my number, call me. I think keep her for corner. Keep her, man, go save her. Because I don't go like back. She go to look for this Yoruba man. They beg her when prick not the walk. If you there our corner, we go to take care of you. Ho ha. Eh? Which kind of rubbish be this one? Carry woman demand say, I want to do tests of my children. Because you know, fuck me, pregnant me. Now doctor carry sperm put inside my body. I know whether na doctor sperm have been a for Yoruba sperm they put for the girl body. The girl want know who be the father of the children. Now they they just bundle this girl out of their gate, throw her out. Now Yoruba, and they tell her the problem of Igbo man in Nigeria, now the same people, Yoruba. Every wahala wey Igbo man they suffer for Nigeria. No be Hausa they carry their cattle, they will come back down. But the main issue where they kill everything for Nigeria. Now Yoruba, now me talk. I don't talk finish. That's why I come for this place. I say make I come tell her. If your daughter they dangle, they jump around with Yoruba, because I know say most of them they born of Lagos. I meet them all. If you ask them, my mama talk say my papa na Igbo. You, what be your mama? Na Igbo. You unko, they born for Lagos. Igbo, you know sabi speak. You go take Yoruba to for you. Nothing, you know, nothing. Nah, all culture way you know na to fall for ground, roll itself for ground. That's all. You know. So Now my thing, oh, what they tell you now. No be say some Igbo women deserve this thing, my brother. Now punishment where God go to place on them. Period. Because you carry money, you are living well. The Igbo man where they friend you, now management they manage. Now Nigeria Kosamo, don't be the man fault. Nigeria did not present or that build a good environment that will allow that man to develop himself. Now quotas this thing, no, Yoruba take 40, Hausa take 60. Igbo man will be the get man for Nigeria. If you don't know, no. You no go take your money, sponsor your boyfriend, make him marry you. You no go take your money indirectly, do like say you want to start business for him, make him use that money. If you give her that money, you can't hang for your neck, make him go do something for you. Make him use that money, go do him. Make him not come be like saying, women know all the whole tricks where they're supposed to do them. Secure your own man. You say no, na Yoruba man already made aviation. You know the thing when Papa do Igbo people. This you hear rubbish animal where they claim say na and our in-law. You don't read ask question about him, Papa. Which role in Papa play for Igbo land? You don't hear him. If you never hear him, make una go search. When they call on in-law, evil. The time when now the Kalu they follow him up and down. I say, see ona, cockroach, all of them. Cockroach, carton. See as soon as they end up, you see them, just take a look. Seize woman, children. For this country, if man and woman get problem, police go tell you, say, they, oga, this place in a door, this one a telephone, call up for your friend, ask them whether if he spend some night, not be one day, for some night for a place. Children go their house, papa go waka, come out. But for Nigeria, no. Papa go seize children. Papa go seize property. Papa go seize mama clothes. Papa go seize even though the handbag of a woman. Throw the woman come out for house. Now who go talk? Now we Baba, now we get our own religion. How would they take do am? Everything we would they do for our place. Olo Shoroda or Moiboni, get out from this place. Now who be your mama? Do you know who I be? Do you know who I am? You never ask people. I beg go ask them. Make they tell you. If you go there, ask them they can know. You don't come my place. You know say me. I know they don't chop my ear. If you like, make you. That is their way. Igbo people falling into this trap. I say shame unto you people. Oh. Shame unto you. Any place won't find on ourselves saying a Yoruba man go to marry on her. We person where they not cutting prick. Everything be like can they put up for your body? The prick, you know they work. Even though spit, you know they spit. You go carry spam, go meet doctor. Baba doctor beg help me plant them. Because the woman na farmland where you go they plant. Carry fertilizer, the fertilizer. God punish your mama. See that beautiful girl. This year man don't spoil her life. If na Igbo man, even though na third wife that woman be, she go no say she go dey in husband house, so nobody go come pursue am. Now she don't go Yoruba land. See am. Una don't see am. Olo Ibru Omo Igbo, criminal Omo Igbo, bad Omo Igbo, this Omo Igbo that. Tomorrow, una go still follow for line, go dey follow Yoruba o. Yoruba man, na bicycle rider, make I tell una. If you do good to them, if you want go, my brother, bicycle rider go turn show you in yash, say, likam. Bye-bye. Ota ko am, no munnam, no munnam. Ko de kwa no, bye-bye.